Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. I am here to help you stay healthy the tasty way. So let's get started. Today we are making famous South Indian breakfast dosa. For making dosa, I am taking 1 cup of horsegram, rinsing it with fresh water. I'll discard the water and add some more water and let it soak for 4 to 5 hours. Now I am taking 4 cups of rice and 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. I have rinsed the rice for 2 to 3 times and discarded the water and soaked the rice in some more water for 4 to 5 hours. This gives rice and horsegram the time to soak. Now the horsegram looks like this after 4 to 5 hours. I am taking the horsegram in a grinder jar. Do not discard the fermented rice water. Use the water to grind the dal, horsegram and rice to a smooth paste. You can grind them separately, but I am here grinding them in one batch. The consistency of the batter should be somewhat like this. A thick batter doesn't allow fermentation process to go well. So I am taking the batter into a large bowl. As after fermentation the batter will rise and puff up, take a large bowl to pour in the batter. Cover the bowl and let it rest for overnight or 8 hours. After the batter is puffy, fermented and now ready to be used to make dosas. I am taking some batter into a different bowl as I don't want to mix salt into the big bowl, as I want to use the batter for tomorrow and day after tomorrow's breakfast. If you mix salt into the big bowl, the fermentation process stops. So I am taking some batter, mix some salt. I have put a tawa on the stove, non-stick tawa. The tawa is very hot. I poured a ladle full of batter in the center of the tawa and I am making circles from the center to outward direction to make the dosa. Now we wait until the thinner portion of dosa turns slightly golden brown. When the thinner portions turn golden brown, we lift the corners of the dosa with the spoon. Carefully lift the dosa from the tawa, starting from the corners. Fold the dosa into half. You need not turn the dosa as it is cooked properly on both the sides. Now I'll show you a little trick how to make perfect dosas from the second one. Now we are turning the flame towards lower side. I poured a ladle of batter in the center, spreading it in circles from center to outward. And now I increase the flame. This will ensure that the batter does not stick to the tawa or doesn't become lumpy. Now as the thinner portions of the dosa turn brown, I'll start lifting the dosa from the pan from the corners. This is a little trick that won't that will help you from accidents like making the dosa batter lumpy on the pan. If you keep the keep the fuel flame on higher side when you are pouring the batter on the pan, then you will be risking the formation of lumps on your dosa. It will become lumpy and it won't form a dosa. As I will be making some more dosas, I will tell you the importance of this little dish that we are relishing from generations. Dosa is made from the combination of cereal and a pulse. Cereal and a pulse combination is bound to make a good vegetarian protein source. As we know, animal source of protein is best because it contains all the essential amino acids. But vegetarian sources of protein does not contain all the essential amino acids, making them poor quality of protein. But mixing cereals and pulses overcomes the problem of lacking essential amino acids in vegetarian protein diet. So, mixing cereals and proteins is important to vegetarians and vegans to get good quality of protein in their diet. And as you see, the dosa batter is devoid of gluten. It doesn't have any gluten. If you are looking for a vegan and gluten free option, dosa is a very good option to consider. Now I am making the dosas on an iron tawa. Previously I have used I have used non-stick tawa. Now I am showing you how to make dosas on the iron tawa. The procedure is the same, but you need to grease the iron pan with some oil, which is not necessary when you are making dosas on a non-stick. Stack of dosas ready for breakfast. Hope you will try. Thanks for watching.